Welcome to the step-by-step process guide for the Gobbler Laminator 200 PL. This small and compact machine is ideal for lamination of various items to protect and enhance papers and pictures. Before operating the machine, it is important to familiarize yourself with the safety issues, operation, and jam release procedures. Let's get started. Step 1. Pin boxing. Carefully unbox the Gobbler Laminator 200 PL. Step 2. Operation. Plug the machine into a suitable power supply outlet. For hot lamination, switch to on position. The LED will light up the red. The machine will start to heat up. After 3 to 5 minutes, the green ready LED will illuminate when the machine has reached the correct operating temperature. The machine is ready to laminate. Step 3. Document preparation. Arrange the documents for inserting into the machine. Load the paper centrally into the pouch alongside the pre-sealed edge. Do not use pouches thicker than 125 micro. When the machine has reached operating temperature, the pouch can be inserted into the machine until it engages with the rollers. The pouch will move through the machine and exit at the rear. Step 4. Jam release. In the event of a paper jam due to power cut or any paper damage, the paper will not reverse out. Unplug the laminator and then slide the release button. Once the jam is cleared, plug in the machine, turn it on, and resume laminating. Allow the machine to cool down for 40 minutes if the motor has overheated. Enjoy the convenience of professionally laminated documents, photos, and more. Congratulations! You have successfully learned the step-by-step process for operating the Gobbler Laminator 200 PL.